I found out why my neighbors never let anyone inside their house, and now I wish I never asked. I moved into a quiet suburban neighborhood about 6 months ago, the kind of place where nothing happens and everyone waves but never actually talks, except for my neighbors. They were a couple in their late 40s, super polite, always smiling. But in the entire time I lived there, I never once saw anyone go inside their house. No guests, no family, no delivery people, nothing. At first I didn't think much of it. Then I noticed something else. Their lights were always on, every single room, all night, no matter the time. And around 2:30 a.m., without fail, I'd hear furniture being dragged across the floor. One night I asked another neighbor about it. He went quiet, then said, "They've lived here longer than anyone, just don't worry about it." That answer made it worse. A week later, there was a power outage on our street. Everyone's lights went out, except theirs. That night, around 2:17 a.m., I heard the dragging again, louder than ever. Then a loud thump like something heavy falling downstairs. I did something stupid. I went outside. Their front door was slightly open. I know I should have turned around. I know this is where everyone reading this is shaking their head. But curiosity won. I knocked. No answer. I pushed the door open. The inside of the house was empty. No furniture, no pictures, no decorations. Just bare walls and a single light hanging from the ceiling in every room, except the basement. The basement door was locked from the outside, and taped to it was a handwritten sign that said, "Do not open. They wake up when the lights go out." That's when I heard breathing behind me. I turned around and saw my neighbors standing in the doorway, smiling. The man said, "The power usually doesn't stay off this long." The woman reached for the basement door handle. I ran. I didn't sleep that night. The next morning, their house was gone. Not abandoned. Gone. An empty lot. Fresh dirt. No foundation. No sign a house had ever been there. I called the city. No records. No permits. No owners. Nothing. The worst part? Last night, during another outage, I heard furniture dragging again, from underneath my house.